Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you. So today I have got a random Coach unboxing and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this beauty. Coach has been killing it lately with their sales and it makes me like pissed because I want everything. It's not easy when you have self-control issues and they have 1941 bags on sale for 50% off. You guys, I just cannot, I can't deal. I can't deal. Like, help me God. Yeah, I just want everything. And then you get the stupid Rakuten like 10% deals too on top of it all. So it's like 60% off. Either ways, here's the box. And pardon my outfit, I've been mowing the grass and it's hot. So I look like junk. I'm gonna try to do this unboxing without showing my address. And then I have my keys in hand. So, okay guys, this is a bag that I've been looking at. Like, I tried it out in store a long time ago when it was first released in the regular size, and then they came out with the 24 size, and I was like, you know what? I don't mind this size at all. So this is so cute. Here's the box, of course. And then we're gonna go ahead and unveil the bag. It is a smaller bag. Put this down on the ground. Here it is right here. Okay. There's not too many reviews on this bag, so I'm definitely gonna do one. And I would love to show you guys the Revel 24 in the plaid print. Here she is. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm sure this was returned. There is absolutely no packaging on it, but let's just make sure that it looks good. There's like a tiny little scuff right there. I don't think it's like too bad. Let me check the bottom. What the heck? Oh my God, I have to send this bag back. There's like total wear on the bottom of this bag, on the feet. Like, there's scuffing. Yeah. Oh man, that stinks. Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, needless to say, I really, really love this bag. Hopefully it's still in stock. Yeah, I'm probably going to call customer service about it and just return it. It's no big deal. They'll give me my money back. What a bummer. I've never done like a unboxing kind of gone wrong. I don't mind getting a return bag as long as there's no wear on it, you know, but when there's already scuffs on the bottom of the feet, yeah, I don't know. Okay, but yeah, this is it. It's super cute. Really, really love, out of the plaid prints that they have, I like this one because it's punky kind of, and I definitely wear Doc Martens like all fall, winter long. And I think that this is definitely gonna look so good with a pair of Docs and a pair of black jeans. I'll also maybe wear this in the summertime. I'm just really loving it. And I love the shape. It's pretty much an Alma BB. Let's just call it what it is. And it's got really nice, smooth zippers. Yeah, I love it. So anyways, do you guys own this bag or thought about getting it? The top handles feel really good in the hand and it's super cute. It's got the little clochette and it's got the tiny littlest hang tag. It's super, super tiny, super cute. So yeah, I mean, I guess I could just keep this bag and use it. Because to be quite honest, there's no marks all over the leather. Sometimes I just get so excited. I just don't mind the imperfections and I want to use it. So it is what it is. It comes with this strap, and the strap is adjustable and removable. And then the strap connects kind of like the Alma BB. It's got this connection here and this one right here. So yeah, it's a cutie patootie. I'm in love with it. I don't know. It's got this lock down here, which I'll never use. It's just maybe more for decoration, I think, at some point. But let me show you what it looks like side by side next to the Cassie 19. I'm using my Cassie 19 right now. Yeah, they're pretty comparable in size, I would say, to each other. Very, very similar. And this is one of my favorite bags. I don't know if this probably holds a little bit more than this though. Maybe we could like kind of toss some stuff inside of this bag real quick just to show you what all it would fit. And so, yeah. Let's see if this little catch-all fits inside. Oh, for sure. I think this bag's a lot bigger than it really kind of, looks from the outside. I think the size could be deceitful. I've got a Coach card holder. I'll throw in there some gum. And then I'm going to put my keys down in. I got these Longchamp sunglasses at Nordstrom Rack, you guys. My Fendi ones finally broke after 2.5 years. Like, it was time. But these are so pretty. And I got them off Nordstrom Rack for $59. And they're Longchamp. They've got the LGP on the side. And I just think they're really stunning. Like, they're large, but my face is like very oval. And I just dig these glasses. They're actually burgundy. So I think though, for this bag, I'm going to have to utilize a soft pouch. So let's just put them in my soft pouch here, stick them in, and then stick in my regular glasses. So I've got a lot in there going on. It will fit my cell phone too. I can throw that on the side and then it zips up. It's such a cute little baby. Like, I love this bag. Like, you guys may or may not know, I've owned an Alma BB in the Epi denim, and I really liked it, but I was like at a point where I was kind of selling off a lot of my expensive bags, and this still gives you that chic look, same exact silhouette as the Alma BB, but you don't have to break the bank. I think I paid something like $240 for this bag on the sale. Such a steal. And it's darling. Like, I know it screams wintertime probably, but to me, I don't care. Like, I think I'm going to wear this all throughout the season, like all throughout the year, and just use it. Will I return this one? I don't know. I think I'm going to work on the bottom feet, but overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it, I think. So, all right, guys, this was just a really quick unboxing. Yeah, that's about it. I'm not going to be buying many more bags probably for a while. I'm trying to, take a little bit of a break and, spend money on other things. But, I love you, Coach. I just love the brand, and I love other brands too. Don't get me wrong, but that sale, you may want to go run while you can. I don't know how long it'll last, but there you have it. So, okay, kids. It smells really good too. I may just keep it. I don't know. I hate dealing with the whole return process. Like, you send it back, wait forever, and get the bag. And I don't think they have this in store anymore. So I do live by a Coach store, like down the street, basically, which that's also enabling to the extent. And they text me all the time. Like, my essay's like, hey, Julie, we miss you. Come on in. It's like, you guys, seriously. It's like, all right, here I come. So, all right. Well, guys, this video has been 10 minutes now. I think it's time to sign off. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching me unbox the Revel. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm back again. It turns out the stuff on the bottom of the feet was like a glue substance. So there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with this bag. I'm going to keep it. Yes, it was a return. It wasn't packaged. Who cares? There's nothing wrong with it. So that's good news. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So, all right, kids, enjoy your rest of your week. Take care. Bye-bye.